We mentioned that we would delve deeper into neurobiology. Depending on this, we can also refer to neurological disorders. I would like to focus on a disease that is still the subject of research lately. This disease is Alzheimer. There are many studies about that, however there is no definitive treatment method. Alzheimer's disease is a neurodegenerative disease. It is also known as a type of dementia. Dementia is not a single disease name, it's the general name given to memory and similar cognitive diseases. It is disease based on cognitive dysfunction. This disease is associated with memory problems, which are cognitive impairments. It occurs when some proteins in the brain form plaque. The disease occurs when tau protein and beta amyloid protein in the brain form plaques and neurofibrillary tangles and impair communication. It's like a very complicated sentence, but let's say the tau protein provides the stability of microtubules in neurons, which are brain cells. Microtubules are found in the structure of neurons and are the structure that allow the exchange of substances between neurons. Beta amyloid protein, it's a large glycoprotein derivative called amyloid precursor protein, which has important functions such as a neural development and neural homeostasis, so inner balance. As it is known, proteins can have a correct function when folded correctly, but when it cannot take its proper shape, it cannot fulfill its function. It is the presence of these degraded proteins that cause the plaques to form in the brain, according to recent studies. Normally, proteins take a certain shape, form a structure and become functional. The presence of these misfolded proteins is also found mainly in the hippocampus and neocortex. These deformed proteins are called prions. These prions don't fold properly and cause the other resulting proteins to be incorrectly folded. As a result, communication between neurons is disrupted and the loss of nerve cells begins to occur, with the reaction occurring where the hippocampus cannot function. In other words, the part of the brain that is the long-term memory store becomes dysfunction. This is why the most prominent feature of Alzheimer's is memory loss. It is a disease mostly seen in the elderly, and the number of individuals with this disease is increasing day by day. There is still no definitive cure for Alzheimer's disease. Studies on it is still in progress.